Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to load conversations in ChatGPT. Now, I recently had this issue just a few minutes ago and I was able to fix it. I've decided, hey, let me create a video showing you guys how you can fix this too. Now, so I'm gonna be pretty transparent and show you what I literally ask on Google. So the first thing I did was to open up my browser, guys, and simple ask Google how to fix this, right? So I'm going to share with you this. Basically asks Google how to fix unable to load conversations in ChatGPT with a specific chat, because it didn't happen for all chats, just happened for a specific chat. And of course, they shared with me a bunch of options, that you can log out, log in, you can refresh the page, and you can clear cookies and all of these good stuff, right? Which I've tried, and none of this work, right? None of these solution that I've received here from the AI, which is Gemini, none of these solution work. So I've tried a few more things and I found a solution that worked for me, and I just want to share that with you. So if you get the error message that's saying unable to load conversation in ChatGPT for a specific chat, because it's the chat ID, you can easily fix this by finding the chat on the left hand side. And this is, I'm going to show you, I'm not going to open the chat, but this is a specific chat that I had the issue with. And all you have to do, guys, is to simple find the chat that you have the issue. So I'm going to go ahead and just make something right here and hit enter, and so that this is going to create a new chat. So let's say this is the chat, right? So if you have this issue with a particular chat, all you have to do is just simple click the three dots towards the right hand side of that chat and archive the chat. Once you archive the chat will disappear. And so you want to go into your settings. So click your account on the lower left hand side, then click in settings. And then from here, go to data control. Now you want to find archive chats, click on manage. And all you have to do, guys, is simple unarchive the conversation by clicking this icon here. It's going to unarchive the conversation. And so when you go back to your main dashboard here and ChatGPT, you will see the conversation. And if you try to open the chat again, it's going to work. I found that that's the only solution that I found that work, and it works like a charm. So if you have issues with ChatGPT with a specific conversation in ChatGPT that's saying unable to load a conversation, all you have to do is archive the chat and unarchive the chat, and it should work for you. Try out this, let me know in the comments below if it works. If it does, I'm super happy that I was able to help you with this issue, and I'm happy that I was able to solve mine, because the chat had some really good information that I wanted to get back to and I just couldn't get back to it. But to archive the chat and unarchive it again works like a charm. So give this video a like if it works for you. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I'm always sharing what I know, and so I'm always able to help you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.